It's Luna's birthday today. Happy birthday, beautiful. Happy birthday. No kisses, man. What's up, YouTube? What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Every year, Allure releases a huge list of products that they have tried and loved. It ranges from like skincare, makeup, to nails, to like makeup brushes, hair tools, hairsprays, etc. It is a huge accomplishment for these companies to get their products on this list. If I see that a product has been on one of those Allure Best of Beauty lists, doesn't matter what year, I'll probably buy it just because I think that it's gonna be like amazing. However, there are products that I've tried that I ended up hating, and I cannot stress how much I hate these products. I have a couple in front of me right now. There are 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6 products. I'm gonna go over them in no particular order, just products I bought because of Allure, and I hate them. The first product that I want to go over are the Sally Hansen gel polishes. So this isn't real gel. They're supposed to be nail polishes that look like gel. They don't look like gel. There are 2 steps to it. You don't need a base coat. What this is like you get the color first, you paint it, you wait for it to dry a little bit, and then you take step 2, which is the top coat, and then you go over it like a regular nail polish, and then you wait for it to dry. The problem is that they never dry. It takes hours for them to dry. I tried using this for months because I wanted to like it, and I hate them. If you put on a thin coat of these nail polishes, they look streaky. So what I did was I would put on more nail polish because I thought that I was applying too little. You apply more and then you get bubbles. You're either stuck between having nails that look streaky versus having nails that have bubbles. I don't know which one to choose. I don't want neither of those. It never dries. It takes hours for them to dry. It'll be like 1 or 2 hours later, they will still be wet. Product number 2 that I hate is the Maybelline New York Master Precise Skinny Gel Pencil. It is a small little twisty, and this actually ended up, you see how it's not like coming out? Okay, well I guess it's coming out now. Once you twist it out, you can't twist it back in. Sometimes nothing twists out. I'll be twisting it and nothing will be coming out, so I don't think there's any more. But I guess for the camera, this little thing actually wants to work. That isn't my biggest problem with this. My biggest problem with this is that it doesn't glide on smoothly. I feel like whenever I use it on my eye, I have to really tug on it, and I don't want to tug on my eye. There are way better eyeliners than this one. Allure Best of Beauty Award winner number 3 that I don't like, and I say this with a really heavy heart because I love this company. The Burt's Bees Glossy Lipstick. So this product right here, it's supposed to be a lipstick. The first time I tried it, I liked it. It applies very smoothly. It feels very nourishing. It doesn't dry out your lips, and I have really like dry lips and skin. I live off of lip balm and moisturizer. This product as a lipstick sucks. It moves around too much. I feel like I constantly have to reapply this. I'll apply it, I'll be talking for 5 minutes, and then I'll look at my lips again and the product has somehow moved. Their lip balm is great. I use it all the time. This little glossy lipstick that costs like $9 was a waste of money. Don't get it. Up next for number 4 is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Lock Mattifying Primer. This primer right here, it feels like the Professional, and I like the Professional. I think this is a great dupe for the Professional, and I forget how much I paid for this. I think it was around $10. I'll have to look that up for you. The reason why this is on this list is because it clogs my pores like no other. I use this product, and then within the following days, I always have new blackheads and new pimples. I looked it up online, and I guess this product is notorious for clogging pores and giving people bad acne. So if your skin is sensitive and you're prone to acne, don't use this. Up next is the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Powder Kit. I saw this and I thought it would be really cool because you get 3 powders in this. This one right here, you use it to fill in your brows. This you use to define, and then this you use to highlight. What I don't like about this is that they don't look as good as like doing my brows with other products, and it's not long lasting. At the end of the day, when I look at my brows, they just don't look the same. I can't recommend this. I also can't recommend the brush that it comes with. This is way too big for my brows. Way too big. And I just keep it in my vanity just to, I don't know, it just takes up space. I should probably throw it away. Last but not least, product that I hate is the Allure Shadow Squad. For $6.99, you get 4 shadows in this small little quad. I hate this thing. This little sucker right here is extremely powdery. Not long lasting. I put it on my eye, you could barely see it. And within an hour or two, it is completely gone. For $6.99, this thing is pretty pricey. You could spend $15, $16, $17 and get a whole eyeshadow palette that works better than the eyeshadows in here. It's powdery, the pigment payoff sucks, and it's also not long lasting. That was it. Those are all of the Allure Best of Beauty product winners that I hate. If you ever look up the reviews for these products, just look at them right now. They're either like hit or miss. Like 50% say they're really good, and then the other 50% hate them just as much as I do. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you've ever had problems with any of the Allure Best of Beauty product winners, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next video. Bye!
I paint my nails black, I dye my hair a darker shade of brown. Cause you like your women Spanish, dark, strong and proud, paint the sky black. You said if you